The next method that we're going to define a custom timer using is going to be the navigation timing API method. Now, I haven't defined that one yet, so I'm going to take you through the process of actually creating and defining a whole new custom timer from scratch using this method. Now, it is important at this point that it is noted that you only have within any of the apps that you configure 10 custom timers that you can use. So you can have any combination of 10 custom timers using any of the methods here, but you cannot have any more than 10 custom timers currently. So getting started and defining the custom timer using the navigation timing API, you click on the plus sign here to add a navigation timing API or any of the custom timer methods. And the first thing is you give it a name, and I'm going to call it just simply NavTiming method. So I'll just call it NavTiming. There is a character limit to the naming of your custom timers. Currently it's 15 characters. And you can put anything you want in the description. So I'm just going to call it a custom timer using NavTiming API. Oops, spelled correctly. Now, instead of using the JavaScript variable method, I'm going to click on the radio button and switch it down here. Now, one thing that you can do is you can tell it that you want to collect navigation timing ranges for only certain pages. So you may want to only collect it for your product pages or collect it for your search result pages. Or if you just leave it blank, it will get collected from any page. And in this test environment, I'm just going to collect it from any page. So the first ones, of course, are navigation start to response end. But you can see here that you can end or start on any one of the methods that are available to you from within the navigation timing API. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to time from the response end until the DOM complete. And this is just a range of time. There may be a reason why there are certain events that are occurring within your page or within your application that occur within these two ranges. And what this is any time from within the response end method within the navigation timing API until the DOM complete method or event is fired, we will capture the time for that and assign it to the custom timer named NavTiming. And what I can do now is as soon as I click OK, this will deploy this navigation timing method out to our the config.js file and out to all of the mPulse requests that are made to any of your pages. And at that point, it will start collecting data. This can take anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes because of some application caching and caching on the customer side. So it could be between 5 and 15 minutes before you actually see any of the variable values come back for this particular custom timer. So I'm going to click OK. And we have now deployed a custom timer using the navigation timing method.